I absolutely have passion for people having choice over their own future. And part of that requires being able to connect to yourself and know who you are and what you're really passionate about. And so the work I do in organisations is how to help the organisation have choice over its own future, well, the people in it. And then here, it's people having a space to relax, connect with nature, connect with themselves, so that they are really choosing their future rather than just have it happen to them. My goal for Southern Retreat is able for it to stand on its own feet, to employ local people, and to carry on being wonderful for its guests. So we either operate as a venue, so people take the whole place, or we have holiday people. So we have our own tutors who will take people climbing, mountain biking, fly fishing, rally driving, bird watching, yoga, meditation, poetry, gong baths, dancing, singing, weaving using local natural materials. Well, I think I first had an email. I don't actually know quite who sent it to me. And when I read it, I thought, oh, this sounds useful. The Startup Academy came as one of their offerings. And I thought, wow, this is really comprehensive. And what I wanted to do was to, now Southern Retreat is established and running, was to go back to my consulting world. So I wanted to use the Startup Academy to kind of restart that aspect of my business. It's a comprehensive series of workshops that enable you to look at every aspect of a business as and when or before you set it up. And the instructors were fantastic. We had the most amazing people, and there was the community of the people doing the course together. My main challenge for Southern Retreat is margins. It's a very expensive business to run, so that is the biggest challenge, is finding a way to make the business financially viable and stable. When the world went online, I had to learn how to do Zoom, and I'm learning a lot at the moment about other ways to facilitate things online. I've mainly done workshops to do with websites and social media, things like that. Instagram, fantastic Instagram course we did recently. SEO, search engine optimization. It's mainly that, so how to effectively promote the business. The Hub is an incredible mix of opportunities to learn through the amazing workshops, opportunities to have advice with an advisor one-to-one, a chance to meet other people locally, which I think is fantastic. The way they have brought so many small businesses together and opportunities to work together, find synergies, etc. And the building itself. It's a fantastic space. The Hub has the most amazing array of support for particularly small businesses and micro businesses, such as myself. And for us, it's free because it's funded by the Welsh Government. So I think we're incredibly lucky. And I really do think it will make a difference to the local economy. I think the Hub instructors have helped me be more strategic rather than just bumbling on running my business. Have an overview to see where I might change things and how I might do things differently. One of the ways that the Hub is so successful is because they make it such fun. When you go there, you really want to be there. It's a lovely atmosphere to be in, so that's encouraging in itself and really important.